In this lecture, we are going to discuss first, consumer and industrial products. Second, decision regarding products and services. Third, services marketing. And finally, branding. A product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. While a service is an activity, benefit, or satisfaction offered for sale that is essentially intangible and doesn't result in the ownership of anything. Products are key in the overall market offering, of course. Also, the market offer might exist of only pure tangible goods or pure services and everything in between. Product planners need to consider three levels when deciding on services and products. The first one is the core customer value level. Secondly, the core benefit must be turned into an actual product. Finally, an augmented product must be built around the actual product by offering services. Consumer and industrial products. Products and services fall into two broad classes, which are consumer products and industrial products. Consumer products are products bought by final consumers for personal consumption. And there are four types of consumer products, which are first, convenience products are a type of consumer product that consumers usually buy frequently, immediately, and with minimal comparison and buyer effort. Second, shopping products are consumer products that the consumer, in the process of selecting and purchasing, usually compares on such attributes as suitability, quality, price, and style. Third, specialty products are a type of consumer product with unique characteristics or brand identification for which a significant group of buyers is willing to make a special purchase effort. Fourth, unsought products are consumer products that the consumer either doesn't know about or knows about but doesn't normally consider buying. Now, industrial products, of course, are products bought by individuals and organizations for further processing or for use in conducting a business. For example, materials and parts include raw materials like farm products and natural products, and manufactured parts like component materials and parts. Organization marketing consists of activities to create, maintain, or change the attitudes and the behavior of target customers. Corporate image advertising campaigns can be used to improve the image of a firm. Person marketing consists of activities to change attitudes of specific people, while place marketing involves activities to create or maintain or change attitudes towards particular places. Social marketing, of course, is the use of commercial marketing concepts and tools and programs designed to influence individuals' behavior to improve their well-being and that of society. Decisions regarding products and services are made at three levels. Let us begin with the first level, which is individual product and service decisions. Developing a product or service involves defining the benefits. Product quality are the characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied customer needs. Total quality management, shortly TQM, is an approach where the whole company is involved in constantly improving the overall quality. Product quality is based on the quality level and consistency. Other product and service attributes are product features and the product style and the design, which is heart of the product. Let us talk about another issues in product and service decisions. Firstly, a brand. A brand is a name or term or sign or symbol or design or a combination of these that identifies the products or services of one seller or a group of sellers and differentiates them from those of competitors. Also, packaging involves the activities of designing and producing the container or wrapper for a product. Note that innovative packaging can give a competitive advantage. The final product and service decisions include labels that help identifying a product or brand and supporting services of the product. The second level in product and service decisions is product line decisions. A product line is a group of products that are closely related because they function maybe in a similar manner or are sold to the same customer groups or are marketed through the same types of outlets or fall within given price ranges. Also, major decisions include the product line length, which can be adjusted by product line filling, which means adding more items within present range, and line stretching, which means lengthen beyond current range. The third level in product and service decisions is product mix decisions. A product mix, or simply product portfolio, is the set of all product lines and items that a particular seller offers for sale. Product mix width is the number of different product lines, while length refers to the total number of items within the product lines. The product mix depth refers to the number of versions offered for each product in the line. Services marketing. Firms must decide upon four service characteristics when designing marketing programs. First, service intangibility, which means services cannot be seen or tasted or felt or heard or smelled before they are bought. Second, service inseparability, which means services produced and consumed at the same time and cannot be separated from their providers. Third, service variability, which means the quality of services may greatly vary depending on who provides them and when, where and how. Fourth, service perishability, which means services cannot be stored for later sale or use. The service profit chain. The service profit chain is the chain that links service firm profits with employee and customer satisfaction. Also, this chain consists of 5 links, which are internal service quality, satisfied and productive service employees, greater service value, satisfied and loyal customers, and ultimately healthy service profits and growth. Also, service marketing is more than traditional external marketing. It also consists of internal and interactive marketing. Internal marketing involves orienting and motivating customer contact employees and supporting service people to work as a team to provide customer satisfaction. Interactive marketing, which involves training services employees in the fine art of interacting with customers to satisfy their needs. Note that service marketers need to manage service differentiation, making sure that they stand out amongst competitors. They also need to manage service quality, which can be harder to define than product quality. Lastly, they need to manage service productivity by ensuring employees are skillful and implementing the powers of technology. Branding. Brand equity is the differential effect that knowing the brand name has on customer response to the product or its marketing. Brand equity can be a powerful asset. Brand valuation is the process of estimating the total financial value of a brand. Note that in order to build a strong brand, there are some major brand strategy decisions to be made. First, brand positioning involves positioning the brand in the mind of the consumer. Also, brand name selection is important in order to select a good name. The brand name should say something about the service benefits and should be easy to pronounce and remember. Also, it needs to be distinctive and extendable, easily translated, and should be capable of legal protection. Note that brand sponsorship can be done via 4 ways. A product can be launched as a national brand or as a private brand or a store brand. Another way is via licensed brands or a co-brand with another company. A store brand is a brand created and owned by a reseller of a product or service. Licensing involves lending the brand name to other manufacturers. Co-branding is the practice of using established brand names of 2 different companies on the same product. When developing brands, companies have 4 choices. First, line extensions, which occur when extending an existing brand name to new forms, colors, sizes, ingredients, or flavors of an existing product category. Second, a brand extension extends a current brand name to new product categories. Multi-brands means offering more than one brand in the same category. Fourth, new brands can be created when believed that the power of existing brands is fading.